my name is Jonathan Ginting, and this is how you make a Lego Dance Dance Revolution. And these are the pieces you'll need. You will need 2 of the 1x1s, and then you need 3 of the 1x4s. Then you need 2 of these dots. It's going to be like this. Then you're going to have these 2 of the lighting things. I don't know what they're called, but it's going to be like that. Then you need 5 of these, but they have to be the same color, but they're going to have to be 2s. 2 2s and 1. It's going to be like that. Then you need this piece. I don't know how it's going to look like. It's going to be like that. Then you need 3 of these 2x4s. But they have to be one by different colors. Then you need these same colors, about these skinny 2x4s. And then last is you have to have a human. And the first is you have to put this. You have to have these skinny 2x4s. Then you have to put all these. You have to put one at a time. So I put white, yellow. So it's going to be like this. Then you have to do this one like this. So you have to hit these ones like that. Then you have to put these on top of each other. Then you put that one. Then you're going to have to do this. It's going to be like this. So you have to put 2 of these 1x2s, and then you're going to put them like this. Then you have to put that one in the back of that green, as I call it. It's going to be like this. Then you have to put this piece, I don't know, and then it's going to be the back of that yellow. Then you have to put the last 1x2s, and then you have to put that in the middle of the green, like that, and then you have to put this 2 of these 1x1s, and then you're going to put that one like this. So it's going to put on these sides. Then you're going to have to do the 2 of the 1x4s and put it on the sides of it. Whoa.
Whoa.
It can be like this and this. Then next is gonna have to put like this. Then you put this one right here. These lighting things, it's gonna be like this. Then you need to put these dots on that. And then you need to put this 1x4s, and that's the last piece. Then you need to put a human. And this is how to make a Dance Dance Revolution. Goodbye. Thank you.